forecast for the day was for 5 knots of easterly breeze, increasing to 8 to 10 knots by the end of the day. So I was keen to get out there. And as you can see, the day turned out to be calm. And throughout the day I was teased by little patches of wind that would come up and then die away back to mirror calm again. But I always feel that any day afloat in a boat is not wasted, and Tilly made the most of every zephyr, and over time we found we were actually making pretty good progress. It was certainly an ideal day for making a cup of tea whilst underway. On such a sunny day as this, it's hard to believe that just a few days before we'd had quite a heavy snowfall, with snow settling on the ground down to lake level, and it's left the tops of the mountains around the lake covered in quite a deep layer of snow. Ghosting quietly along with such a light breeze, I found that Tilly was very happy to sail herself, and so I spent quite a bit of time in a really comfy spot tucked up in the forepeak of the boat just behind the mast. And watching this video with all the fancy camera angles, I guess you've probably come to realise that I'd found myself with quite a lot of time on my hands to fill in. With the day drawing to a close, I was grateful that just a little bit of breeze turned up, and it was just enough to take us back to the harbour.